No one looks like you. No one looks like you. I don't even believe. I don't even believe anyone. Believe anyone. Your thoughts are as your thoughts are as oppressive as you. As you, it does not come where it should. Where it should. What to worry about? What to worry about now? About now, what happened has happened is not believed, is not believed. It is my heart, it is my heart that the scan, my heart that the scan of the Western, not all. Not all are open. All are open. If you want to get rid of it, if you want to get rid of it, get rid of it at this crossroads. It at this crossroads, that turning point, that turning point comes nowhere in the journey ahead. In the journey ahead, to be alive is not to be alive. To be alive is not to be alive in love. To be alive in love, we call it being apart. We call it being apart from being. Apart from being, it is necessary to be a. It is necessary to be a spectacle in love. What is to be? What is to be separated from home? Separated from home. One cannot meet. One cannot meet. You are not related to the. You are not related to the tribe of sun. To the tribe of Son, where did you where did you get it to be all? Did you get it to be all? You took too long to come, too long to come. Otherwise, I did not. Otherwise, I did not want to grow. I did not. I did not want to grow old in love. Grow old in love. What a spectacle that. What a spectacle that everyone calls. Everyone calls me bad. Everyone calls me bad, and everyone everyone wants to be like me, to be like me.